Alright, so it's Saturday morning. Yesterday, I broke loose from the job site where we've been working at and came over here to help a buddy of mine a little bit on the project. He needed a little help getting some trees and stuff out, a little cleaning up an area for a guy on property they bought. And a little bit too soft in the bottom, so stuff like that, the excavator just kind of works better. So we brought that over here, so let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, so I got over here a couple hours yesterday. It's pretty soft down in that old ditch. I brought the little old Bobcat excavator over here and started just ripping a bunch of this little stuff out, piling it up in piles here. I'll be in a grapple truck in here and pick it up. See, I got some pretty big piles up in there. There's some old fallen trees up in there. Got them stacked up right there. But the goal for today is he's gonna come in here with his skid steer and grapple. He's running in the background. And start getting that out. We're gonna have to be careful he don't get stuck. This little old ravine down in here just full of silt and still got water in it. He actually got stuck down in here day before last, right there. Had to go get another truck to pull a skid steer out. But so I got a lot of this done yesterday. We get it all roughed out and then we can come in here and kind of clean it up a little bit more. But we're gonna come, we got probably 30 foot along this bank right here to the guy's property line, and we're gonna get some of that scrub out of there. And I think I'm gonna go and take that old magnolia down. It's pretty ragged. Might take this old maple out right here. It's got some bad spots in it, but that's the plan for today. What I'll probably end up doing just to keep him from having to turn a lot right down in there. If he turns a lot, it's the bottom, you know, it's gonna walk out. So what I'll probably do is he'll just come in, pull up to there. I'll grab those piles, swing them around so he can just pick them up with his grapple bucket. He can kind of back up on that hill over there and carry it out, put it in a spot. But that is the plan. I got quite a bit right there, but he gets some out of the way, I'll be able to do a little bit more. So y'all come along and we'll see what we got going on here. Maybe nothing bad will happen, nothing will tear up. So let's get going. front of us is awful long. I'm gonna see if he can grab that, and I'm gonna break it. If I get him, see what I'm doing. That worked. Coming. Got her. Yeah. Save it. Stay with something long enough. You can make it happen. Don't even look at that how big. She's damn sure. She was stuck in the ground, boys. It is heavy though. It really, yeah, that's like that. So there's a lot of piles over yonder for him to load out. We got it pretty good. Had to come back, do a cleanup. Got that little magnolia needs to come out. He's got to do a bunch of trimming, pruning, work on these vines. A little bit more to come out down there, but it's gonna have to dry out down there a little bit too. There's a lot of water, like quicksand. But that helped him out, got him going anyway. So I need to get that thing loaded up. It is very muddy, especially for digging that stump out. So we're gonna try to move the trailer and parked on the corner of the road right here. So it's a little bit too sloped to one side. Yeah, I don't know, we might be able to load it right there. Let's see how that ramp lays down. But we're gonna get her loaded up, take this thing home, give it a bath.